Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen and I am doing some mini savings today. Yay! Let me see here. I have 12 challenges and I completed the first two already. So I now have a total of 6 savings challenges with a 12-sided die, okay? What I don't know though is how much I have, but we're gonna find out together, okay? So, see, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 5, 40, 5, 50, 5, 65, 8, $68, okay, for 10 challenges. So what I'm going to do is if I roll a 11 or 12, I'm just going to put that amount to the side. I'm going to put $2 to the side, okay? And then I have some $5 bills that I am going to randomly add in for a little surprise, okay? So let's see what we got, guys, okay? Let's see. Okay, that is a 6. And then I will discuss the challenges as I stuff them. And I feel like I haven't completed a mini savings challenge in so long. That's because now I am focused on my 2025 goals, just trying to get a jump start on them. That's all. And that's what I've been focusing on. So check out those videos. I introduced my 2025 goals and my 2025 savings challenges. So check those out, guys, and let me know what you think. 3, 4, 5. So yeah, I feel like I haven't done minis in a while, so I feel a little rusty. So we're gonna do number 3, number 12, which we're gonna put to the side, and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, there's 1. So guys, yay, I am excited about, is that a 6 or a 9? This is a 9. I am excited about 2025. And again, I have a little jump start. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I should be good, at least in the first quarter. So we'll see. But I am excited. 11. So we're going to put that to the side and see what we're doing. That's 9. I'm rolling a lot of 9s today. So there's an 11 and a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, guys, I already saw where I messed up because the first 2 challenges are completed. Okay, so this should be here instead of here. All right, that wasn't too bad of a mess up. I told you I feel a little rusty. I haven't completed minis in a bit. Okay, so there's number 7. Number 3 and number 2. Okay, so here's 2. I think that was 3 and then 7. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, and 10, which is the last one. So I was excited to complete the first 2 minis. Now I would like to complete the final challenges before Christmas, even though this money will go into 10, 9, 8. This money will go into my 2025 long-term savings. Okay, and then finally this dollar is going to go into number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 6. Okay, guys, I'm going to put this amount to the side because these were my 11s and 12. And what I would like to do is see if there are any challenges that I can actually complete with this extra amount. Okay, so let's see what I have here. I would like to, there we go. Okay, we have 2, 4, $6. And here's 2, 4, and 6. I'm just getting started with the last 10 challenges. Okay, so we have, guys, I didn't introduce a challenge or anything. I didn't say a name or anything. I'll always save. And these are Christmas themed challenges. Okay, Karen, girl, get it together, honey. Becca budgets 777. We have $2 here. Okay. I told you I feel a little raggedy because I haven't completed many savings in quite some time. Okay, here is Cash and Color budget. So cute. A ugly sweater theme. And this is $6. 2, 4, and 6. So we may be able to complete at least this challenge today. That would be super cool if we can complete this challenge. I want to try to complete all 12 before Christmas, even though it's going to all be stuffed into my long term. So here we have $4. So guys, let's go ahead and color in this 4 here. And this challenge is from Lady Di Saves. And I don't know if I told you all, but I am hosting Christmas this year. I'm super excited. Okay, Boop and Budgets has $10. Guys, we completed this challenge because it is worth $10. So, yay! If you saw my video where I unstuffed this clear box, I completed over 100. It was over that, like maybe 150 savings challenges for 2024. So I'm going to continue that in 2025 because it was super cool to unstuff it and just to see how many savings challenges that I was able to complete all year. So that was cool. Okay. Yay. So we did complete one challenge. Every time I complete a challenge, I put $1 in the box. Okay, and this is from Hey Cake Budgets, and we have $7. Now each mini she has here is worth $1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So super cool. And here we have Julie's Pages. And each ornament is worth $2. So we will scratch off for 2. Scratch off 1 for 2. Okay, guys. And Cheerful Christmas from Frugality is Life. And each ornament is worth $2. So let's go ahead and color in an ornament. All right. Yay. And then we have Chatty Cathy Budgets. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and $12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. So guys, hopefully it doesn't take long to complete the minis. And then we have $4 from Budget Blessings. And I'll color in this 4 here. Get the higher numbers out of the way. Okay, so what I want to do is see where we would be able to complete a challenge. So that's $12 there. And I believe we can finish this challenge here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We sure can with $2 to spare. Yay! So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16. And we're going to put $1 into our completed challenge box. And guys, we completed 2 challenges. Yay. Okay, with $2 still left over. So there we go. Okay, so the next challenge that I think we are closest to completing is none of them really. And as a matter of fact, let me take these 2 out because I completed them in another video. Okay. And guys, yes, I added the $1 already. I was about to say, hey, so I already added the $1 in the completed challenge box. So that's super cool. And super cool. Okay, so $2. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and add it here. I'll always save. So we will scratch an additional gift for $2. Okay, guys, so that gives us $2, $4, $6, and $8. Okay, guys, I will see you all in the next video. I am in the process of completing the mini savings challenges and also starting my 2025 savings. So thank you all for tuning in, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.